The biggest wow factor is the volume of parts you can do with a limited amount of time. It's actually very fast because it's a one-pass technology. You not only can do one, but you can probably do 20 to 30 of these parts at one time in the same amount of time. We're the consultants that can help you navigate the 3D print industry. From production parts, production plastic parts, to metal parts, 17.4 stainless parts, or full color 3D print technology. Hi, I'm Jim Hill with MasterGraphics. We're partners with HP and Markforged, and we sell 3D print technology. Well, one thing about HP is when they get into a market, they're either going to be the number one or the number two player in the marketplace. And so when they got into 3D print technology, they set up a different division and then pumped in all kinds of R&D money to get into the technology. Where they're going with it is phenomenal. Well, what that means is that now you're able to produce parts, prototype parts and low volume and limited production parts quickly and efficiently. One of the unique abilities with the HP printer is it is a powder bed technology. So you're able to actually print this complex part all in one piece. Another part we have here, this part, which may be difficult to see, but this was all printed in one piece. So the material that HP has developed is actually a PA12 or a nylon 12 material. So that's a good general material for almost all manufacturing. So it's a good material to do actual testing with and do limited production. The multi-jet fusion is basically using fusing and detailing agents to actually fuse the part. It's not a chemical bond, it's actually fusing of the material. The newest machines that actually HP has out is called the 580. Now it's a more prototype level machine, but it's basically differentiating factors that you're able to do full color on a part as well. So it's a PA12 material with full color. And when I say full color, you've got CMYK cartridges, which is what you see here on that printer. Those cartridges allow you to do millions of different color combinations. So this actually part is using the same material with an outer skin of a bright white fusing agent. The bright white fusing agent is mixed with the CMYK colors to give you a full color part. It's actually one of the best companies to work with. We've worked with them from a 2D standpoint for years, and from the 3D standpoint, we have excellent support, excellent customer service from them, and they're a great company to partner with. So Russ Beck is with Re3dTECH in Grays Lake, and they're one of our primary customers. They actually have several of the 3D print HP machines. That's why we work together at the Design to Part show. A lot of companies that come to us can't buy machines yet, but they do outsource parts.
Re3dTECH is a 3D printing service provider. We run the HP 4200 Jet Fusion production printers. We also run Markforged composite printers and the Markforged Metal X. We can actually help with all your product design needs. Our in-house engineering staff has the professional capabilities, CAD capabilities that can take from your thought creation to full end-use parts. There's a lot of 3D printing service providers out there in this world, but we make a difference every day with our communication, with our abilities to help engineer your products and create the best 3D printed part out there.
We also are partnered with Markforged, and Markforged is actually one of the premier companies in the tracing technology, the FDM technology, but they've taken it a step above. This part you can actually produce with a chopped carbon fiber material, but you can actually add in layers of continuous carbon fiber in the part. Makes it a very, very, very strong part. The next technology that Markforged went after is the metal printing technology. So this part actually printed on a Metal X Markforged printer. The software actually grows this part about 20% because you've got to use nylon material infused with powder metal. And once you print the part, it actually goes into a solvent, then goes into a fusing oven to cure the part. And at that point, it shrinks back down to its actual size. Now this part is polished. This is actually 17.4 stainless. What a lot of people really wanted was, especially injection molders, they wanted to be able to print with a glass bead type material. So HP came out with a PA12 material that actually has glass beads in the part. So it's getting closer to a true injection molded part right out of a 3D printer. This particular material is a TPA material developed by Evonik. Well, one of the things that, for us using us, is our strength is our service. Our service support is extremely strong.
See us and other quality suppliers at D2P.com.